Here's a piece of rhyolite that is columnar jointed. So you've seen, in Ireland, the Devil's Causeway, and perhaps the Devil's Tower in Wyoming. Well, they say this is similar. This is rhyolite, volcanic, forms that shape. That's around the area. You'll see a few videos of mine around Beaufort Mountain, St. Francis Mountains. That's a nice chunk. And at first I thought maybe it was an Indian artifact. I was like, no, I don't see any like hafting marks on it. So after a little bit of research, this piece of rhyolite in the St. Francis Mountains is about 1.4 billion years old, over 1.4 billion. Some of the oldest exposed rock in North America. So it's kind of cool to hold something that old in your hand. Oops. And that's kind of what the region looks like. Very old volcano. That is on Hughes Mountain, I believe, that picture.